Myself, Neelkant Swami, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, Government First Aid College, Tiptur. Dear friends, today we are discussed another one problem concerned to amalgamation. Here, the problem is A Limited and B Limited agreed to amalgamate and form and form a third company, C Limited, which will take over all the assets and liabilities of two existing company. A Limited and B Limited agreed to amalgamate, join together and form a third company, C Limited, which will take over all the assets and liabilities of two existing companies. In case of A Limited, in case of A Limited, the assets are to be taken over at book value for shares in C Limited at the rate of 5 shares in C Limited at premium of 10% for every 4 shares in A Limited in the case of B Limited. In the case of A Limited, all assets and liabilities taken over at book value for the shares in C Limited at the rate of 5 shares in C Limited at a premium of 10% for every 4 shares in A Limited in the case of B Limited. A Limited 5 shares in C Limited, premium what percent 4 shares in case of B Limited. 4 shares in A Limited and B Limited, the C Limited taken over by the information given. Next, the debentures of B Limited would be paid off by the issue of an equal number of debentures in C Limited at a discount of 10%. Debentures of B Limited would be paid off by the issue of an equal number of debentures in C Limited at a discount of 10%. Discount. B Limited debentures discount rate. Next, the holders of 6% preference shares of B Limited would be allotted for 7% preference shares in for every 5 shares in held in B Limited. Here, the holders of 6% preference shares of B Limited would be allotted for 7% would be allotted 7% preference shares in C Limited for every 5 shares in B Limited. B Limited 5 shares would be allotted in C Limited for C Limited every shares. Okay, allotted in 5 shares for held by B Limited. Next, equity shareholders would be allotted sufficient shares to cover the balance on their account after adjusting assets value by reducing plant and machinery by 10% and providing 5% on sundry debtors. The equity shareholders would be allotted sufficient shares to cover the balance on their account after adjusting the value by reducing the plant and machinery by 10% and providing 5% on sundry debtors. Next, the balance sheet of A Limited and B Limited on the date of merger were as follows. The amalgamated at the time of merger or amalgamation time, the A Limited and B Limited balance is given. Liabilities A Limited, B Limited. Equity shares of rupees 10 each. Equity shares of rupees 10 each. A Limited 4 lakh, B Limited 5 lakh. 6% preference shares of rupees 100 each. A Limited nil, B Limited 3 lakh. 4% debentures, A Limited nil, B Limited 2 lakh. Plant and machinery, A Limited 5 lakh, B Limited nil. Contingency reserve, A Limited 50,000, B Limited nil. Sundry creditors, A Limited 75,000, B Limited 90,000. The total liabilities, A Limited 10 lakh 25,000, B Limited 10 lakh 90,000. 10 lakh 90,000. Next, assets. Plant and machinery, A Limited 8 lakh, B Limited 8 lakh. Stock, A Limited 65,000, B Limited 60,000. Sundry debtors, A Limited 95,000, B Limited 50,000. Cash at bank, A Limited 65,000, B Limited 40,000. Profit and loss account, A Limited dash, B Limited 1 lakh 40,000, A Limited nil. The total is 10 lakh 25,000 in A Limited, B Limited 10 lakh 90,000. Then show the entries in the books of A Limited and B Limited. Show the entries in the books of A Limited and B Limited. Here only entries in vendor companies. Show the entries in vendor companies. Here the vendor companies two, A Limited and B Limited, and new company is called C Limited. The new company is called C Limited. A and B. Okay. Third company is called C Limited. Here show the entries in the books of A Limited and B Limited. Now, in the amalgamation, the first step is calculation of purchase consideration. In amalgamation, the first step is calculation of purchase consideration. The second step is discharge of purchase consideration. Third step is closing the books of account, closing entries and ledger accounts. Fourth step is opening entries in the books of new company. Finally, last step, preparation of amalgamated balance sheet. Preparation of amalgamated balance sheet. Here, calculation of purchase consideration in A Limited. In A Limited, net payment method. The information is given in the problem. Net payment method, about net payment method. Here 50,000 issue of equity shares 10 each at a premium of rupees 10%. 50,000 equity shares are issued at rupees 10 each at a premium of 10%. That is 50,000 into 11. 50,000 into 10%, out of 10 rupees 10% or total amount, both are same. Here 10 into 10 plus in bracket 10 into 10 divided by 100, that means 10%. That is 10 plus 1, 11, 50,000 into 11 is equal to 5,50,000. 5,50,000. The purchase consideration is rupees 5,50,000. The discharge of PC in net payment method need not calculate. The mode of payment already calculation. It is in calculation. The purchase consideration in A Limited 5,50,000 rupees. Then in B Limited, this is concerned, the problem given in net assets method. The problem is given in net assets method. Here, in net assets method, all assets taken over agreed value less all liabilities taken at agreed value. Here, assets taken over: plant and machinery 7,80,000, stock 60,000, debtors 47,500, cash 40,000, total assets 8,67,500. 8,67,500 in B Limited. The B Limited information is given in the number of the debenture and preference shares, equity shares, balance their adjustment assets value by reducing plant and machinery 10% and providing on 5%, plant and machinery and providing on 10% on 5% on debtors are bid. Plant and machinery reduced 10%, 5% are divided debtors, less debtors. Here, plant and machinery 7,80,000, stock 60,000, debtors 47,500, cash at bank 40,000, total assets A 8,67,500, less liabilities. Less liabilities taken over. Creditors rupees 90,000. 4% debentures 1,80,000. Creditors rupees 90,000. 4% debentures rupees 1,80,000. The total liability 2,70,000. Total liability 2,70,000. Now total assets minus liabilities is equal to purchase consideration. Total assets 8,67,500 minus total liability 2,70,000. The purchase consideration is equal to rupees 5,97,500. Purchase consideration rupees 5,97,500 in B Limited. Here, discharge of purchase consideration in B Limited. Discharge of purchase consideration. First, issue of 2,407% preference shares of rupees 100 each. 2,407% preference shares of rupees 100 each. 2,400 into 100 is equal to rupees 2,40,000. 2,40,000. Second, issue 35,799 shares of rupees 10 each. This is the balancing figure. The problem discharge information given. Purchase consideration 5,97,500 less preference shares 2,40,000. The balance is the equity shares of rupees 10 each. 3,57,500 divided by 10 is equal to 35,759 is the shares. 35,759. 37,759 is the equity shares of rupees 10 each. 3,57,500. Now, next step. The closing entries in the books of both vendor companies. A Limited in the books of A Limited. Journal entries in the books of A Limited. Journal entries in the books of B Limited. Here, journal entries in the books of A Limited. Date, particulars, LF, debit amount, credit amount. Date, particulars, LF, debit amount, credit amount. Under this, realization first entry. All assets transferred to realization account at book value. All assets transferred to realization account at book value. Realization account debit to plant and machinery account 8 lakh credit column. To stock credit column 65,000. To sundry debtors account credit column 95,000. To cash and bank account credit column 65,000. The total 10,25,000 in debit column. 10,25,000 in debit column. Realization account 10,25,000 to plant and machinery credit column 8 lakh, stock account 65,000, sundry debtors account 95,000 to cash and bank account 65,000, being all assets transferred to a realization account at book value. Next, quite reverse. All liabilities, outsider liability, transferred to realization account at book value. In this problem, in A Limited, sundry creditors only liabilities. Sundry creditors account debit 75,000 to realization account debit 75,000. Sundry creditors account 75,000 to realization account 75,000. Being liabilities transferred to a realization account at book value. At book value. Third entry, PC due. Purchase consideration due. Here, purchasing company account debit to realization account. Purchasing company is the C Limited. C Limited account debit to realization account 5,50,000. 5,50,000. C Limited account debit 5,50,000 to realization account 5,50,000, being PC due. Next, the information, any other adjustment given in the problem, the realization account concerned to realization account, all adjustments are completed. There is no realization expenses, any increase or decrease, preference shares, etc. No. Or the assets are not taken over by shares or new company, etc. There is nil. So, realization account is completed. Now find out the realization profit or loss. If a profit, the realization, any profit or loss transferred to shareholders account. If a profit, realization account debit to equity shareholders. If loss, equity shareholders account debit to realization account. In this problem, loss, debit side is the more than credit side, loss. Equity entry, equity shareholders account debit to a realization account. Equity shareholders account debit to realization account 4 lakh. 4 lakh. Equity shareholders account debit 4 lakh to realization account credit side 4 lakh. Narration being the loss on realization transferred. Being the loss on realization transferred. Next entry. All equity share capital, profit and loss, contingency reserves, liabilities, shareholders funds transferred to shareholders. Here in this problem, equity share capital account debit 4 lakh, profit and loss account debit 5 lakh, contingency reserve account debit 50,000 to equity shareholders account credit column 9 lakh 50,000. 9 lakh 50,000 total, being the transfer of share capital and profit, being transfer of share capital, comma, profit and contingency reserve. Profit and contingency reserve. Next, sixth, equity shares. Now, PC discharge. Discharge of PC or purchase consideration amount received by vendor company. A Limited received. Through discharge. It may be equity shares, cash, debentures, etc. In this problem, only equity shares. Equity shares in C Limited account debit to C Limited account. Rupees 5,50,000, 5,50,000. Equity shares in C Limited account debit 5,50,000 to C Limited account rupees 5,50,000. Being narration, purchase consideration received. Being purchase consideration received. Next, the closing of the equity shareholders account. Now, equity shareholders account debit to equity shares in C Limited account. Final payment. Final payment being here equity shareholders account debit 5,50,000 to equity shares in C Limited account credit 5,50,000 being the final payment made to equity shareholders. Being final payment made to equity shareholders. These are all concerned to A Limited. The same type in ledger accounts, journal entries in the books of B Limited, vendor company. B also one of the vendor company. Journal entries in the books of B Limited. Here, date, particulars, LF, debit amount, credit amount, etc. Realization account debit, all assets transferred to realization account at book value. Here, realization account debit to plant and machinery account 8 lakh, stock account 60,000, sundry debtors account 50,000, cash and bank account 40,000. Total 9,50,000 being transfer of all assets to realization account at book value. At book value. In the problem given, just a minute, the problem is given about B Limited. Okay, here the shareholders. Okay, here the all assets, the value of reducing plant and machinery and providing 5% debentures. Here B Limited, but not, there is no change in A Limited. Sorry, I explained in share A Limited, but now 10% is concerned to B Limited. Machinery, reduce plant and machinery by 10% and providing 5% on sundry debtors. Here B Limited, just a minute. Journal entries here. Plant and machinery 10%. Book value, but not in problem, sorry. Book value, in book value, but not agreed value. Ledger account, sorry, journal entries in the books of vendor company, book value, but not agreed value. Here, taken in book value. Realization account debit to all assets, book value. Then, the same type in all liabilities taken over by, all assets transferred to realization account at book value. The liabilities is 4% debentures 2 lakh, 4% debentures account debit 2 lakh, sundry creditors account debit 90,000 to realization account credit column 2 lakh 90,000 being transfer of all liabilities at book value but not agreed value. Here next third entry, PC due. PC due means new company paid to vendor company the PC amount. PC amount already calculated above. Here C limited account debit to realization account. C limited account debit 5,97,500 to realization account 5,97,500 being purchase consideration due. Next entry, preference shareholders account debit to realization account. In this problem, here the profit on payment of preference shareholders, adjustment as given, the profit on payment of preference shareholders, the entry preference shareholders account debit 60,000 to realization account 60,000. Preference shareholders account 60,000 to realization account 60,000 being profit made on payment to preference shareholders account. Then next entry, now complete the information completed to realization account. Now complete the realization account. The entry is completed. In this problem, loss arises. Credit side is more than debit side, that is loss. If debit side is more than credit side, profit. In this problem, credit side, equity loss. Equity shareholders account debit to realization account 2,500 loss. Then equity share capital, the equity share capital, the capital transfer to shareholders account, capital transfer to shareholders account, equity share capital account debit to equity shareholders account, equity share capital account debit to equity shareholders account 5 lakh rupees 5 lakh being transfer of share capital account, Next, the equity shareholders account profit or loss transfer to shareholders account, reserve, etc. Equity shareholders account debit to profit and loss account 1,40,000 being transfer of profit or loss account. Both here equity shareholders, profit and loss, equity share capital, profit and loss, any reserve transfer to shareholders account. It may be write only one entry, but here separation entry mentioned here. Next, profit and loss account. Okay. Next entry, preference share capital account debit to preference shareholders. In this problem, preparation account also prepared, the capital, the amount due to preference shareholders. Next, the C limited discharge of purchasing company, purchase consideration, discharge of purchase consideration. Preference shares in C limited account debit 2,40,000. Equity shares in C limited account debit 3,57,500 to C limited account. Preference shares in C limited account debit 2,40,000. equity shares in C Limited account debit 3,57,500 to C Limited account 5,97,500 being the PC received. Then preference shareholders, the final payment of preference shareholders entry, preference shareholders account debit to 7% preference shares in C Limited. Final settlement of preference share capital account 2,40,000, 2,40,000. Then final payment in equity capital, final payment in equity shareholders or shareholders, final settlement. Entry equity shareholders account debit 3,57,500 to equity shares in C Limited 3,57,500. Equity shareholders account debit 3,57,500 to equity shares in C Limited credit column 3,57,500 being the final payment made to shareholders, being the final payment made to shareholders. This is the problem. The problem is now completed. Thank you very much. Okay.